Australia is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Gold Coast to the rugged Outback, the country's landscapes are as varied as they are stunning. Its cities, like Sydney and Melbourne, pulse with energy, offering a blend of modern attractions and historic charm. Whether exploring ancient rainforests, vibrant coral reefs, or bustling urban centres, visitors are sure to find experiences that capture the essence of Australia's unique character. Australia is home to some of the world's most breathtaking natural landmarks. The Great Barrier Reef, stretching over 2,300 kilometers, hosts a dazzling array of marine life and vibrant coral ecosystems. Uluru, a massive sandstone monolith, rises from the heart of the Red Centre and holds deep cultural significance for Indigenous Australians. The vast Outback, with its rugged landscapes and unique flora and fauna, offers a glimpse into the country's wild and untamed spirit. Each of these remarkable locations supports diverse wildlife and ecosystems, making Australia a true haven for nature enthusiasts. Australia's major cities offer a vibrant blend of sights, sounds, and tastes. In Sydney, visitors are drawn to the iconic Opera House and the sweeping arches of the Harbour Bridge. Melbourne captivates with its thriving arts scene, eclectic laneways, and renowned coffee culture. Meanwhile, Brisbane charms with its riverside parks, lively markets, and subtropical atmosphere. Each city presents its own unique character, inviting you to explore their rich cultural experiences and savor distinctive local flavors. Before setting out on your Australian adventure, remember to pack for diverse climates, stay hydrated, and respect local wildlife and customs. It's wise to plan your itinerary, but leave room for spontaneous exploration. Some of the most memorable experiences happen off the beaten path. Australia's vast landscapes, vibrant cities, and unique ecosystems offer endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Whether you're diving into the Great Barrier Reef, trekking through ancient rainforests, or exploring the Outback, each journey reveals something extraordinary. This spirit of wonder and possibility is what continues to make Australia a top destination for travelers from around the globe.